Hey Monish, we heard you. Mechanical watches symbolize timeless craftsmanship and tradition, and unlike battery operated watches, these are powered by your hands' movements. So, here are some mechanical watches for you to choose from. 7 Fridays M Series watch. It has a gunmetal stainless steel case with a silicone strap. This watch comes with automatic movement and a 28-hour power reserve. The scratch resistance mineral crystal glass and 30-meter water resistance add to the watch's durability. The Frederic Constner Runabout Round Blue watch. It has sapphire glass, chronograph functionality and automatic movement. This watch has a power reserve of 36 hours and a genuine leather strap. Next up, we have the Citizen Automatic Round Blue watch. This analog watch has a power reserve of up to 24 hours. Its sapphire glass, 3-hand functionality and 50-meter water resistance add to its functionality. Last, we have the Tissoti Race Round Silver watch. Inspired by parts of a motorbike, it has Swissmatic movement and a power reserve of 72 hours. It also features a see-through case back and scratch-resistant sapphire crystal glass.